Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. I'm Chef Tony and today we're making twice baked potatoes. Twice baked potatoes are wonderful. They are a baked potato, hollowed out, make mashed potatoes out of them, fill them with whatever you want, then bake them again. First thing we're going to do is wash our potatoes, preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to get these potatoes set up. I'm going to show you how, and then we'll take it from there. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now each potato is going to give us 2 servings. What we're going to do first is we're going to take a fork, we're going to poke them. This way the steam from the inside can vent and they won't crack. We're going to rub them down with some oil all the way around so that way the skin gets crispy, just like so. Sprinkle with a healthy amount of salt and pepper. Set them aside onto our baking sheet and into the oven. It's going to take about an hour to an hour and a half depending on the size of your potatoes. Once the potatoes come out of the oven, we want to let these sit and cool down for about 5 minutes before we scrape them out so that way we're not burning ourselves. Then we're going to work on the filling, so let's start scraping these out. Once the potatoes are cool, we want to cut these in half, turn them on their side like this, go straight in, just like so. And we're going to take our spoon and clear out the center. You want to leave a little bit of the potato on the inside, so that way there's structure, so that way when we're piping these, the filling back in, they don't fall apart. So just scrape them out, just like so. In order to do that to the rest of them. Now for the inside of the twice baked potatoes, we need the inside of the potatoes, about 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese, 3 strips of bacon chopped, half a cup of heavy cream, half a stick of butter, salt and pepper. If you have your own mashed potato recipe, go ahead and use it. If you want to give this a try, that'd be great. First thing we're going to do is make mashed potatoes out of this. We're going to go with the heavy cream, butter, salt, pepper, and we're going to fold in the half of the cheese and the bacon, and then we're going to pipe it into the mix. We're going to add in a little bit of our heavy cream at a time and our butter. Just give this a good mix till we get the consistency of mashed potatoes. Let's fold in our bacon, half of it, half of our cheese, now you can spoon this in to the potato shells if you want, or you can use a piping bag like I'm gonna do. Let's fill our shells back up, just like so. You can get fancy with it if you want. Put a tip on the piping bag. We're going to top these off with the remaining cheese and bacon. We're going to go back into the oven for about another 15 minutes until the cheese is melted. Then we're going to let them cool down and get a bite. There you have it. That's our twice baked potatoes. Let's taste these. It's really good. You get the silkiness from the mashed potatoes, the sharpness from the cheddar cheese, the smokiness from the bacon, the crispiness from the exterior of the potato. They're really good. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Pinterest and on Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Comment below if there's any recipes you'd like for us to do. If you have any questions, also comment below. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.